Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be doing a case study based question from the chapter Statistics for class 10. So in the school, class 10B and C students appeared for Sunday sample paper test and the marks obtained out of 80 are formulated in the table as follows. So they have given less than 10, 8 students have scored less than 10, 20 students have scored less than 20, less than 30, 30 students have scored, 50 students have scored less than 40 and so on. So this frequency distribution table is of less than type. We have to convert into our normal type, that is with the class interval and the frequency. This is cumulative frequency, so we have to convert in the form of class interval and frequency. So 0 to 10, 8 students have scored 0 to 10. Again 10 to 20, we have to subtract 20 minus 8 is 12. 20 to 30, between 20 and 30, 10 students have scored. Again 30 to 40, 50 minus 30, 20 students have scored. 50 to 60, again 10 students have scored marks. 60 to 70, again 10 students, because 70 minus 60, you have to subtract the number from the preceding number. To get the cumulative frequency, you are adding it. So to get the frequency, you just do the opposite. You have to subtract the number from the preceding number. Again 70 to 80, we have 70 to 80, that is 75 minus 70, which is equal to 5. So 70 to 80, we have to subtract 80 minus 75, which is equal to 5. 60 to 70 also, 75 minus 70 is 5. So in between here I have forgot to write 40 to 50. So we have added that also. So these are the class interval and the frequency. So if you want to get the cumulative frequency, you can do 8. First we will write 8, 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 5, 75 plus 5 is 80. So total frequency is 80. Now let's see how to solve the question. So we have class interval, frequency as well as cumulative frequency. How many students secured less than 40 marks? How many students have secured less than 40 marks? That directly from this table you can write 50 students have scored less than 40 marks. What is the upper limit of model class? So here model class means the class which is having maximum frequency. So this is the model class. So 30 to 40 is our model class and this will be our F1, F0, F2. So here the question is, what is the upper limit of model class? Upper limit of model class is 40, lower limit is 30, upper limit is 40. Now which is the median class? So to find out the median class, the total frequency n is 80. So we have to do 80 by 2 is 40. We have to find out the number which is greater than or equal to 40 in the cumulative frequency column. So this is that 50. So our median class is also 30 to 40. Median class is also 30 to 40. Now we need to find mean marks of the student. So mean marks, to find out the mean marks, we need to find the additional one thing, that is class mark, xi. So this is fi. Class marks we need to find, that is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, again 65, 75. Now next we need to find xi fi. 5 into 8, 40, 12 into 15. We need to multiply the frequency xi and fi. So 12 into 15, which is equal to 180. Again we have 250. Then 35 into 2, 700. 45 into 10, 450. Again 55 into 10 is 550. Then 65 into 5, which is equal to 325. 75 into 5, which is equal to 375. Now sigma fi xi we need to find, because mean formula is x bar, xi fi divided by sigma fi. So we need to add all these scores, that is 40 plus 180 plus 250 plus 700 plus 450 plus 550 plus 325 plus 375, which is equal to 2870 divided by our total is 80. So when you divide, we'll get 35.87. So let's see whether that answer is there. 35.8 is there. So mean marks is 35.8. Now class mark of the class preceding the model class. Model class is 30 to 40. We need to find class mark of the preceding model class. So class mark of the preceding model class is 30 to 40. The class which is preceding model class is 20 to 30. We need to find the class mark of that. So 20 plus 30 is 25. Class mark of the class preceding model class is 25. So the answer is 25. So in today's video, we have seen a case study based question from the chapter Statistics. Here all the three measures of central tendency we have come across this question, that is mean, median as well as mode. So thank you for watching my video.